Welcome to Jackman. Really delighted to have you all here to have a look around. Welcome to my workspace. You may have noticed the photograph, of course, by the great Albert Watson of David Bowie. The spirit of that gesture is sometimes you have to say the status quo isn't what we want here. You know, we're gonna throw a bird to that and do something that's, you know, next and more powerful. We've outfitted with technology and with other means everything we would need to interact, regardless of where the folks that we're working with are. This environment is designed completely for collaboration. Everything speaks. And what this place says about us and what we do and how we do it and who we are, in fact, is about the idea that work is not where you go, it's what you do. So all of that is set for today's reality, and I would argue is the better way of working.